Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then here tap your Apple ID name at the very top. Next, choose Payment and Shipping. Here you may be asked to sign in with your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Now, in the top right corner, tap Edit. Here you'll see a red minus sign appear next to your payment method. Tap the minus sign and then hit delete to remove it. Note, if you have active subscription or unpaid balance, Apple may not let you remove the last payment method until those are handled. And that's it. You've successfully removed a payment method on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.